Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back if you are returning, and welcome to you if you are new. This video is a part of the April Showers Bring May Flowers challenge, which I will talk a little bit more further into the video. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Now for DIY number one, this is a vase from the Dollar Tree, which I've had for some time now. Oops, a little too heavy-handed there, Christine. Guys, right now I am in use what you've got in your stash kind of mode. Who can relate to that? Here I am coating it with some Mod Podge in order to paint it. And after that, I dried it with some heat. Then I gave it one good coat of Waverly White chalk paint. And then dried it again. And what I'm doing here is just marking off about 3.5 inches. And after I did that, I wrapped a piece of tape around it. Then here I'm going in now with some Waverly Antique Wax and a chippy brush. And this, I'm trying to get the Foxwood look. And I wasn't worried about those areas that were a little too heavy because I know that I could lightly just blend them out. And once I was satisfied with the look that I wanted, I dried it with some heat. And here is the result. Isn't that pretty? I love it. Then I remove the tape and voila, I love removing tape. Then to seal it, I sprayed it with some Mod Podge perlized spray. Guys, this is awesome, but you have to make sure if you're going to be using this that you do so in a well-ventilated area. And for some added cuteness, I wrapped some jute around it, tied a little bow, and this is done. Then here I'm just adding some boxwood greenery, and I'll leave the reveal for the end. Now this is April Showers Bring May Flowers collaboration being hosted by our friend Mary Beth of MB Gray Designs, who tasked us to make at least one DIY using flowers. Mary Beth is amazing and very crafty in her own way, so when you get done watching my video, be sure to hop on over to her channel and watch her videos, and also check out the playlist which I'll in the description box below. Now we're on to DIY number 2. All I'll be doing is just reusing this pail that I had in another DIY last fall, and I just painted out the word fall with some Waverly chalk paint in ivory and then dried it. And then I'm cutting out some flowers from this very pretty napkin I got from Dollar Tree a few months ago. And of course I've also used it in a few of my DIYs. So I separated the panels because I only need the part that has the flowers on it. And then I applied a generous amount of Mod Podge to the area and then carefully placed it on using my finger to smooth it out. And then just applied a little bit more Mod Podge to seal it. And then dried it. And it's done. So here I'm adding just a piece of floral foam on the inside. And these flowers are some, I'm gonna call them onion bud flowers. I've had these for so long, I'm not even sure Dollar Tree still carries them. And I pull off the onions, which I will reuse of course, and stuck them in the inside. Add some smooth rocks, and that's it. Again, I'll leave this for the final reveal. So if you are new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, welcome. I'm happy you have decided to join me today. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, which take the form of dupes, look for less, thrift flips, and sometimes some occasional Dollar Tree shopping hauls. If you love budget-friendly DIYs like these and have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell. Hit it again and select all so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new videos. And also be sure to like and share this video as it helps the YouTube algorithm to suggest my videos to more viewers like yourself. Now for DIY number 3. Now this is another easy one. I took this 8x10 picture frame from my stash and removed the back and inserts. Then I coated the frame with some Mod Podge so it can be painted. And once I got it painted and dried, I gave it one coat of Waverly chalk paint in celery and dried it, and then gave it a coat of Mod Podge to seal it in. This is a sheet from the Dollar Tree 2022 calendar. These calendar pages make beautiful DIYs. You should try it and let me know. So I lined it up with the back and trimmed it down to size. Then I replaced the insert, replaced the back, and voila, done. But it wouldn't be complete without a little something extra. So I made a little bow and glued it on, and now we're done. Now for the final reveal. Here's a little fox wood vase with the boxwood pick you saw me with in the beginning. Some anthuriums, $1 tree. I just love how this little vase turned out. You'll have to let me know in the comments below what you think about it. This is something I will definitely try again. And our little decoupaged tin with beautiful flowers. And last but not least, our spring flower calendar page wall art. Guys, let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. I love them all, but you know, we all have our favorites sometimes. Remember to check out the host channel, MB Designs, and also the playlist that is chock full of talented, creative people, which are all my friends. And if you would like to connect with me outside of YouTube, check out my link tree that has all my social media and affiliate links in the description box below. And if you're looking for more DIY inspirations, I suggest this video right here or this playlist. And stay safe until next time. Bye!